Here are two ways you can clear words and terms from the stored keyboard history on your phone. One of them is very precise, like a surgeon. The other one is nuclear, like throwing a bomb at it. So let's do the precise one first. Sometimes the precise one doesn't work. That's why we got to throw a bomb. So let's go to settings and let's go back out to the main settings right here. And then let's scroll down to general and then tap on general and then scroll down to keyboard. Here we have text replacement. This can often store words, private words on your phone. Currently mine is all set up cleanly with stuff that I use for responding to comments and things, and even like OMW to expand to on my way, super convenient. But sometimes you'll find stuff in here that's private that you don't want auto-completed anymore or what have you. And then you can just tap on edit and then press on this little do not enter sign to delete it. So if you can delete the words and autocompletes that you want using that method, that's great. If you don't see them in here, we're going to have to go nuclear, which is deleting all the keyboard history. Then it's all gone, which is probably the cleanest way to go anyway. So back to the main settings area, go to general again. Now scroll all the way to the very bottom until you get to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that, tap on reset, and then tap on reset keyboard dictionary. Then you enter your passcode and your keyboard dictionary is reset back to 0. You might have to reboot your phone for these settings to take effect completely, but you might not. Depends on a lot of things. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But that will delete everything to do with your keyboard history. If you do end up having to reset your phone, this is how you do it, or reboot it, not reset it. You press the up volume, down volume, and then you hold the power button or action button. You do that quickly. So we go up and down, hold the power button, and we're going to keep holding it. We're not going to slide the power off. We're still holding the power button and the power button only until the Apple logo shows up. There it is. Now we can let go. And that reboots the phone. It clears a lot of RAM. It applies settings. It deletes loops for various processes the phone might be in. And now when you boot your phone up again, your keyboard should be cleared. Something else you might want to do is make sure your phone is scam proof. This PDF document right here shows you how. It walks you through step by step all the settings you have to set up to make sure that you're safe and scam proof. And it's free. So scan this QR code if you're on a TV, or just click on the link at the top of the description and get this thing for free. And you probably want more storage on your phone as well. Turns out this video here, I can almost guarantee it's going to help you find more storage on your phone, because there are a whole bunch of hidden storage areas that you probably don't know about on your phone. And when you empty them, you get more space. So this video will help you do that. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.